Hey everyone, Morgan here. So today I'm updating my pill case that I keep in my bug out bag. I took out all the pills that were in there before. It had been a few years since I had packed it. You just want to make sure that it's all nice and fresh. This is all new medication that I'm going to put in here, and then I'm going to use this label and a pen here to mark what's in here as well as when I put all this stuff in here, a date. So I'm going to see what I can pack in here, but I'm going to show you real quick. I have some antacids, ibuprofen, salt stick. This is an electrolyte tablet, acetaminophen, allergy medication like Benadryl, but the off-brand, Survivagard vitamin formula, and activated charcoal. These are things that I would like to have with me. These are the over-the-counter stuff that I, can use right now. The ibuprofen is the only thing that I cannot take right now while pregnant, but I'm not going to be pregnant forever. And there are some reasons that you may want to take ibuprofen over acetaminophen and vice versa. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in here. Okay, so before I dive into this, there are a couple things that I want to say, a couple caveats here. One is that I would like to add an anti-diarrhea medication, but I cannot take any anti-diarrhea while pregnant. This is really the closest thing that I can take, as far as I know. I could be wrong. I don't know. My doctor has told me this is pretty much all I can take. You never know what's going to happen out there, but I like to have that anti-diarrhea medication. And I don't have my prenatal vitamins. Since I am pregnant, I don't have my prenatal vitamins in this emergency, pill case. I just have a bottle of prenatal vitamins that I'll just take with me, just in the bottle, because I take my prenatals every single day. All right, so there it is, all labeled with the expiration dates. Now I put the antacid and the salt stick actually together just because they can be together, it doesn't matter. But the rest of these, I like to kind of keep apart, especially the activated charcoal, because it actually has charcoal on the outside. But anyway, so these are all the medications that I have in here for me and possibly, my husband. My husband has his own, but if he ever needs to come into mine, this is in my first aid kit. Now, just one quick thing about expiration dates, which I always talk about whenever I talk about expiration dates, is that, with medications, some medications will expire much faster than other medications. There is a half-life to medications, and sometimes, you may take like an acetaminophen, when it's 6 months expired, and it may just not be as potent, okay? But you really want the freshest medications as possible. Now, what I do from here is that since this is just going to go in my bonch, my bug out bag, that's what I call it, my bonch, my bug out never coming home bag. I'm actually going to put a reminder on my phone, in my reminder app, to come and check this in a year. And then, I'll update, because most of this expires within about a year-ish time of each other. So as a bonus, I'm going to show you the medications that I also carry for Kid Rogue. These are medications that are specifically for her. She can't take a pill of allergy medication. So I have the liquid allergy, the liquid acetaminophen. That's a gas relief. I also have Cold Calm, a couple Cold Calm packages in there, which I really like. And then the droppers for everything here, and then a nose sucker, which is valuable. And then inside here I have a little paper that says when this expires. But these are all, these all have the original boxes here, 220, 320, again, 720. So this is around, in a year's time that they're all going to expire-ish. And actually we use these, as you can tell, I use this on a recent camping trip, because I always take my bonch with me on my camping trips, and we actually used it recently on a camping trip, so it came in handy. Anyway, we use these things on when she is sick, or especially for the allergy. She got bit by ants once, had to give her allergy medication. So anyway, those are just some medications. These are all over the counter. They are not any sort of special medications that you might need. If you need any sort of special medications, store them properly and just make sure that you're updating them as best as you possibly can. And that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.